Alright, so these are our brand new bike repair stations along our brand new bike route. So we are at Golden Gate Park, and this fabulous little station here has, as you can see, an air pump. Alright, and Corey's working her magic there. Alright, and then, so what you do is you prop your bike up here. Alright, there's a nice little holder. Hi, Corey. And then, so keep moving around. And we've got a whole variety of different tools to fix your bike. We've got some of these doohickeys, whatever they're for. We've got Phillips and a flathead, a few different sized wrenches, and we've got a bike key. So, with, I should say, not just a bike key, it's an Allen wrench. So, come and check it out. It's a nice little ride. We've got signs all over the place. Thanks for demonstrating, Corey.